Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make large crème brûlée. First, select a wide, shallow baking dish to ensure your custard cooks evenly. It's also crucial that all your ingredients, especially the dairy and eggs, are at room temperature for a perfectly smooth mixture. Don't forget to set up a water bath. This gentle cooking method prevents your crème brûlée from curdling or cracking. Next, gently warm your heavy cream with some sugar until it fully dissolves, but avoid boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks with sugar until the mixture becomes light and creamy. Slowly temper the warm cream into the egg mixture, then pour it into your prepared baking dish. Bake your large crème brûlée in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for your daily commute. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once baked, let your crème brûlée cool completely. Then chill it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Before serving, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the top. Now for the fun part. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, crunchy crust. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.